Do you want to be able to activate voice mode in Grok? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So basically, to be able to actually activate the voice mode in Grok, we need to firstly make sure that we have the absolute latest Grok update. So to be able to do this, you're just going to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or you're going to go into your Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here we're just going to search for Grok. So I'm just going to search for Grok in here. So just a second. It might take us a couple of seconds here, and I'm just going to scroll down in here. And as you can see, I have this update button in here, so it's very important that you actually click on the update button if you have a new update for Grok AI Assistant, as you can see. So basically that blue update button, it is, it's meant to be able to actually get the voice mode, because it's like a new update. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to speed this one up a bit, just a second. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi right here, so it's going to speed it up a little bit. It shouldn't be that slow now, hopefully. So it should now be connected to my Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to go back into the App Store and check it. This one right here. Let's see. I'm just going to click on it again, because sometimes the new update can take like really long time if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi, or if you're connected to mobile data, you might have like a weak signal and it might not work, or it might take like a long time. As you can see now, when I get the blue button where it says open, that's perfect. We can now click on open right here and open up our Grok AI app. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now what you can do is to just click on the microphone symbol. As you can see, basically in the bottom right corner, there should now be a microphone symbol. Now you can click where it says allow microphone, click on allow speech recognition, as you can see. And basically now you can use Grok voice assistant now, as you can see. So basically this is exactly how to activate it.